Hi, I'm Ken Chung, Director of Product Management, and I'd like to walk you guys through the product bar that we have on display here at Pack Expo International. So if we start over here on this side, you can look at some of your fittings and sensors. This is key to both connecting your pneumatic components together on your equipment, as well as your 34D and 54D pressure sensors. These are key to the communication element. Having your devices communicate with one another, giving you that feedback and monitoring of whether your pressures, both input and output, are correct. One of the new products I'm really excited to talk to you about here is our NC series of IO-Link Masters. And what this product does is it brings the full circuit together. Whether you have devices that are connected themselves or devices that have no connectivity, this brings that whole circuit together so that you can monitor the performance of your equipment from one place. Next, we talk about Exelon Plus, our ever-increasing range of market-leading air preparation products. Filters, regulators, lubricators are one thing. It's another when you start to integrate things like our IEPS technology, the only integrated electronic pressure switch out there in the marketplace. Why would you go with something like that? Well, it saves you space, it helps with responsiveness and seeing whether you're in the right pressure range or not, and this is the kind of thing you get with Exelon Plus. As you move one more step over now, we talk about the VR series of valve manifolds, the heart of the pneumatic circuit. If you want to be able to control motion, you have to have the right valve manifold technology with the right communication protocols to be able to achieve performance targets. And the VR series, we're very excited to say, offers that. Next, we begin to dig into our vast range of pneumatic actuators, an area that we've had decades of experience in. And I want to point out we have various types. You have different designs for different application and market needs. This Tiny Tim series of Norgren actuators comes in both NFPA and non-NFPA, and there's a lot of these applications where you need that small form factor. You get that with this series. The next one I'd like to point out is the P series and the M50 switch. This is a range that takes away that tie rod design and uses more of a profile design, but continues to give you that same NFPA performance. And the M50 switch, again, gives you that connectivity, so you know your operation cycle counts. Lastly, you start to get into an area that we're especially proud and strong in, which is your custom applications. Not every equipment need is going to be able to be solved with standard product. That's when you need to customize and go off menu, so to speak. We're very proud to say this is an area we're exceptional at. We have decades of expertise in, and so custom solutions is an area that we have on display here as well. Next, I'd like to talk to you about the rest of our pneumatic actuator as well as electric actuator range. When you start to look at the different applications, sometimes you need a rodless design. You can get that here with our Lintra rodless design. Exceptional performance in a very sleek package. You also may need motion control in the rotary as opposed to linear motion. You get that with our range of rotary actuators as well. Sometimes you need that added thrust, and in a guided design with our guided thrusters, a variety of different options, both small and large. And then we get to the range that the Bimba brand is particularly known for, is that round line design. When you need a non-repairable actuator, whatever flavor, whatever size, whatever requirement in terms of material, you're going to find that with our extensive range of original line cylinders. You can get position feedback, you can get stainless steel, perhaps you need washdown. Whatever the application need is, we can customize, or we have an option that could probably satisfy the requirements. In terms of size, our market-leading compact range of pneumatic cylinders is also something that you'll see a lot out in the field solving problems. You could talk about the Flat 1 range, both in aluminum and stainless steel designs, as well as a number of different compact actuator that you can see here. Lastly, I'd like to switch to electric. Now, in the world of packaging or motion control, industrial automation, pneumatic is an easy choice. Upfront, easy to deploy, cost effective, but it only gives you point to point. As people need ever increasing amounts of precision control, they need to start looking at electric linear motion. But they may not want to sacrifice on the footprint, the size of the product. Pneumatic is advantageous in that it doesn't take very much footprint. If you want to maintain that same footprint, well, we offer compact electric guided actuators. And this range allows you to keep that same footprint, get that same motion, but now you can add speed, you can add control, and that's the type of precision that we see a lot with our customers needing as they evolve to address market requirements. And you can get that here with our compact guided electric actuator ranges, as well as our Eleon range of electric actuators that is a workhorse for being able to address market needs. Thanks for taking the time to learn about some of the products here in the product bar. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you'd like to learn more, if you have a problem or a need that you need addressed, reach out to us. You can find more at www.norgren.com as well as www.bimba.com, or come see us at the booth, Pack Expo here in Chicago. We'd love to talk to you.